Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jazz. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, you guys. Make sure you like this video and hit that notification bell so you guys will know when I make another video. Okay, today I got some jeans for you guys from Pretty Little Thing, and I know y'all just love to see my videos and you want to see how these jeans look. So yeah, you guys, I got these jeans. At first, I thought I wore a size 6 until I just decided one day, I was like, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and try a size 4 just to be sure, you know, because the size 6 was okay. It was comfortable, but it was just a little too big for me. So I was like, you know what? Let me try a size 4, and they fit way better than a size 6. And you guys, for reference, I do weigh like 128, like close to 130. So, you know, and I'm like 5'4". So, you know, if you guys want to know, or if you're curious what size you would wear, you know, that can kind of give you a reference of what you might wear. So I got these jeans. They're called the vintage wash thigh split straight leg jeans, and I did get them in a size 4, you guys. So these are what the jeans. Whoa. Well, good Lord, that's a big hole. Okay, all right. It's just pretty much cut into like a little rectangle. Like, yeah, there's nothing there. Oh, okay. And it's like that on both sides. So yeah, all right. And then the bottom is like that too. So I pretty much just got both of the same kind of jeans, but I just got them in different washes. So one's pretty much kind of like lighter than the other one. This is the same, so I'm guessing these cuts are going to be the same. They really look the same, honestly. If you look at them, they're really not different. They're the same. Like, okay, these ones are mid blue thigh split straight leg jeans. And yeah, you guys, I think they look the same to me in both. They're just different washes, but them cuts are really like really cut like a little bit more, and they probably would have been shorts. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what they look like on, and maybe, you know, they'll look different. So watch this, you guys. But don't go nowhere. Stay right there. Stay in your seat. Stay in your car. Wherever you at. Stay where you at, so I can show you guys these jeans. All right.
Queen bee, want no smoke with me. Okay. Been turn this motherfucker up 800 degrees. Whole team eat.
Okay, so you guys, as you can see, these splits are like, I mean, I'm really scared to like sit down or anything because I feel like they're gonna split even more, but I feel like the splits are really cute though. As you can see, like, it's got the split down here at the bottom as well, but it's actually like, woo, tattoo action, woo, woo. But yeah, I know it don't make me look like I got a butt or anything, but I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I don't have to show y'all my booty all the time. But yeah, they're cute. I love them. Okay guys, so these are the mid blue ones, and they look exactly the same pretty much. But they still have those splits on both sides, and really they're the same, with the one split at the bottom down here. But really they're the same. I don't really see a difference now. I feel like the washes are exactly the same pretty much, but I still like them because it shows that tattoo down there at the bottom. I think it's cute. Yeah, I know, I'm tatted up, you guys. Tatted up. But yeah. Alright, you guys. Make sure you guys check Pretty Little Thing out. And make sure you guys get check out their jeans because they are the bomb. I love them. I feel like the quality of them, they're like so good. I don't know what it is with the quality, but they're like more of a thicker material. Like, they actually feel like jeans. They don't feel like that flimsy material. So make sure you guys comment, make sure you guys like this video, and make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you guys will be notified when I make more videos. And as always, calm back. Bye guys.